Here we go, right here. 8327, 8329.
Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word.
And I'm heading right to the reason I booked this room, and I will come back and do the room tour right after. Woo! It's a Boardwalk View Balcony. I've been dreaming of this kind of room for years. We have yet to sail on an Oasis class ship. This is our first Oasis class ship. And I had to do it. Okay, not had to, but I did it. Look at this! Right by the Aqua Theater. Look at the view. I personally love it. I love it. I love it. Ah, Alan, you haven't seen it yet. Come on, babe. Yeah, baby. I'm excited. All right, so now we can tour the room. Here's some water that I pre-ordered on the Royal Caribbean app after we booked. There obviously is the TV right in front of our king-size bed. There's an outlet next to the bed with a light switch. And on the other side, there's the telephone. We really did just get in the room, and I went out and came back in to record, so I haven't seen this stuff yet either. Here we have the closet, shelves, and safe. Drawer, and another drawer. I really like the details here, even on the handles. Very classy Royal Caribbean. Here we have another closet, lots of hangers, the thermostat, the light for the bathroom, and our little table here with masks, hand sanitizer. Ooh, our tickets to adventure for the one shore excursion we've booked so far. Our cruise compass, which tells us what's going on each day. The remote for the television that we probably will hardly watch. Tissues are in the top drawer. Lots of drawer space. And there's the hair dryer. Lots of drawer space, guys. Lots and lots of space. See? I'm showing you all of it so you get an idea of the spacing here. And this is a cooler. It says keep it cool but not cold. This appliance is a cooler, not a refrigerator. Okay? So I don't even know how to open. Okay, there we go. I thought it had a code or something because of this on there, but there's no code. It's a cooler if you need it. So yeah, very nice, very nice, very nice. And here's a full-length mirror. And why do I still have a mask on in our room? Full-length mirror. And the bathroom. Very nice. Very nice bathroom. Yeah, I'm excited. All right, now time to get this cruise on the road, or well, on the ocean. So my mom is in room 8327 with the boys, right next door to us in room 8329. Oh, she left it open for me, actually. I just saw that. All right. Hi, everyone. Oh, there's no everyone. It's just mommy. Oh, no, the boys went. So here we have the same closet space like we do next door with the closet, safe, and shelving, of course. And the drawers, just like next door. So I'm not going to go through all of these. since we did one next door. There's the safety video. The boy's hiding from me in the closet. I saw you. Come on
I
out.
know you ruined it. Why do you keep talking? Why? Why? Just stop. Just close your mouth.
Okay, the shenanigans. All right. Okay. I didn't hear you. I said I saw you when you opened the door. Nobody spoiled it.
You spoiled it. No, but I.
Look, they have a very similar view to us. Look who's next to you. Landon, look who's next to you.
Oh, my dad.
Hey, buddy. No running out here, boys. See, this is why I didn't get the ocean view balcony.
Hey, Mom.
You can watch the Aqua Theater shows right there. It's gonna be awesome. You guys can take your masks off. We're in our rooms. And we're technically outside because look, open air.
Oh my god.
What happened? What happened? All right. All right, I'm gonna head back over, use the bathroom, wash up. Did they see these on here already?
I was just looking at it. I didn't even show it to them yet. See, they have
They're gonna
masks
love that.
and sanitizer.
The kids' masks and everything. See that? Our room has these two masks. The kids get special masks because they have to wear them in the Ocean Air Club. Not Ocean Air. This isn't Disney. They have to wear them in Adventure Ocean.
What's a dark club? Down.
And there's the kids' safety video again. And the boys are trying to play hide and seek in this cruise ship cabin. How many places do you think you guys can hide?
I just told them.
Are you serious? Thankfully, we clean out our cabins, our closets before we use them because your dirty shoes are in there.
Oh, hey, hey.
And a very nice bathroom.
Small bathroom.
It is a small bathroom, but cruise ships' bathrooms
Can I
are
jump on
usually
the bed
small.
No.
No, and you know that.
No, I mean like this.
No, you know that.
No.
You're in your outside clothes. We sit on the couch in the outside clothes, and we get on the bed after we shower. All right, getting out because my kids are acting brand new. Before they embarrass me any further. Anyway, I love you.
I think it's
See you soon.
Bye.
I keep trying to open my door without my key card. All right. Here we go. Ah, Alan. I actually had your card. Here, hon.
What's the difference?
Your name is on it. Anyway, time to go enjoy our cruise. We're sailing away. This is so awesome. We're sailing away and I get to see the ocean and the Aqua Theater from my balcony. Oh my God. God is good. I have dreamed of this for years.